Okay, so I just got hiccups. You've seen a few here on video, and I'm just working and there we go. So I'm going to use the techniques to make the hiccups stop. So I'm going to start just with slow breathing. Now, usually for me, when I start recording, hiccups stop right away, and I think that that is because of focusing on them. I'm trying not to focus on them so that I can do a better demonstration of the techniques, but it seems like they have already stopped. If they were continuing, which sometimes can happen if I'm not recording a video, I'll start with some calm breathing, and sometimes if I don't do that for long enough and then I get back to whatever I was doing, they'll begin again. And so typically at that point, if they've continued, I will stop whatever I'm doing to just take a moment to focus on breathing and to focus on basically relaxing my diaphragm. So with the slow breathing, I'll usually just kind of focus on my diaphragm, think about the core of my body as I breathe, and I'll just breathe really slowly in through my nose and then out. And if the hiccups still are continuing at that point, then I'll start into the other techniques. And so I find the one of concentrating on when I might experience a hiccup again is really effective for me. So I will focus and I'll just try to tap my hand at the same moment that a hiccup happens. And so I think I've only had one time that I actually continued having hiccups long enough to try to time it right, and they usually stopped after that. For me, I have found that the most challenge for me to get rid of hiccups is if I am trying to do something that I need to focus on. So if I'm working, if I'm typing, and hiccups are happening, which was what was just happening to me now. So I was doing some work and I noticed hiccups happening, and I just kept working, the hiccups continued. And so if I don't pause for long enough to just slow my breathing, they will persist. And so when that happens, I'll try the waiting and then try at the exact moment that I hiccup to tap my hand. And for me, that usually works right away because of that focus. I find that that really does calm my diaphragm. So yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to get a longer demonstration to show making them go away. You'll notice at the beginning of this video I didn't look at the camera and I just kept typing, because as soon as I even think about recording, that is enough focus that it makes hiccups stop for me. So yeah, there's a demonstration where there were a few more hiccups to kind of show, but all I had to do was stop and just breathe once, and hiccups went away for me. I find that I don't get hiccups very often. Maybe I don't know, every week or two it'll happen for a couple of minutes, and usually because I'll stop right away, breathe and focus, and then they'll stop. It's usually not a problem for me. It's not something that I've had persist for very long. So I hope that helps, and I will keep trying to get a better demonstration video when I have the opportunity.